Hey, what's up, guys? So today I'm working on this RZR. Got some new harnesses for this puppy, so I'm gonna take out these stock belt setup and switch it out for harness. I already unscrewed this one, so just documenting what I'm doing in these machines. Seems pretty straightforward. We'll go from there. So this is 5/8 bolt, pretty simple. Has a lock washer on it, but this was 11/16. It slides back. If you look at how this was, this went through here. And this doesn't have a nut or nothing on the other end. It's just part of the thing. And you're able to come through here, pull this back, and get in there. Don't have to take none of that shit off or nothing. Just pull this back. It is tight though. And then this is 11/16 and 5/8. I'll pull these off real quick and we'll see what it's like with the new harnesses in there. So yeah, I want to show you this. How do I get this lower seatbelt off? It's just one bolt under there. Well, it's actually a nut attached to it. And if you get up under here, you can see my ratchet head here. You get up under there, push out this fender well, right? Get up in there, behind there. And if you get up in here, right about here, you can actually kind of see there is no bolt holding the other side. Fucking windy as shit out here. Fucking Wyoming sucks. So yeah, there's the bolt. You're gonna see it from here. Yeah. That's 11/16. Okay, let's do a little unbox here, or whatever you call it. So here's some Pro Armors. They're 4-point, they're red, and they're 2-inch padded. Used these before and other things, they're pretty nice. There's some instructions. Got the harness. It's funny, here's a cell phone pocket. Like any of you fuckers' cell phones will fit in there. But mine's old school, it'll probably fit in there. And then you have this clear pocket, which they give you a flashlight to put in there. So supposedly you're supposed to put this flashlight in there, like it's gonna save your ass or something. But that's what that's for. Seriously doubt that's gonna end up in there, because what's the fucking point of that? Funny. So yeah, really nice and padded, pretty thick down at the bottom of your chest. Pretty sweet. Nice clip. Velcro latch. And this little leather piece comes wrapped. I guess you leave it wrapped until it takes a shit. I don't know. And these are your bottom mounts. And since we are roll bar mounting the top, we do not need this setup here. I'll show you how this works here in a little bit. But since we're wrapping around a roll bar, you can ditch these top mounts. And I'll show you exactly how I do this here a little later. Get this up closer. Somewhere in there, I would say. We'll see when we get to the car exactly where those puppies gotta go. Yeah. I'll have to give you a sticker. Sticker, a little gay ass flashlight that nobody's ever gonna fucking use. What a bonus that is. Oh yeah, there's the roll bar mount. So you wrap around, go through your buckle. That's why we don't need these puppies no more, because we're not bolting anything. Pretty sure the layout of that should be in spec. I'm gonna set these down real fast. And then let's take a look at our old setup here. So on the one side you had a clip just like a car. This is driver's side, so it was set up like this. This was just a pullover belt just like a car. To me, in an off-road vehicle like that, seems to be a pretty gay setup. Oh, nice. So I showed you how this shit unbolted and where. It's pretty cake, straightforward. But yeah. Fun. Well, let's get to installing these puppies. Alright, so I got these puppies strung over here. Already got some installed there. Let's see here. So you don't want to get nothing twisted, so it's easier to lay it out. I'm going to start with this here. I ran it on the inside. I don't know if it fucking matters. It just doesn't seem right on the outside, so I'm going to run this like this. That's how the stalkers were, so. I believe that's 5/8 through and through. Ooh. So slap that down. Now on that other one, I was tightening it, just wanted to turn. This one's not one to turn as bad as the other one, but I want that aiming straight up like our last one. So it's funny, it's not one to twist like the other one did. So let's make a match. I got her sitting straight up like that. See if she'll stay there for us. Nice. Crank that shit down. So these tops makes it a pain in the ass, so I'm gonna fucking hook these up first. And what you do is you roll that, run it under there, bring it up and through, bring this through. Pull that fucking bitch back. What it is over there. We can adjust that later. I like to get that tight if I can. The tighter you get this, the less slightage you'll have, but good luck with that. It's still a pain in the ass. And then when you're done, I still need to do some adjusting, but all you do is you loop this back through like this. And that would be your finished deal. Pretty cake wrap job, huh? And then, so here's our hole down there. And the factory goes. All I did on the other side, I might change this later because this has this fucking notch on it. This is actually the bolt from up here, because the bolt down there is a piece of the factory harness. So I just took those off, used them on my bottom. I'm gonna do the same on this side. Stick this there, run that in there, and then crawl underneath, put that nut on and tighten it. I'm not gonna bore you with all the bullshit, you know, but yeah, put that through. I'm actually gonna use these cheated bolts I got that were down there anyway. They're galvanized. So yeah, throw that puppy on there like that, tighten her, done deal. Really wish that hole was big enough to slide. I don't think I'd probably lose structural with the belt if you tried to drill that out to fit. Maybe I'll see if I got a washer to throw on there, but unless you want to go buy some new grade 8 bolts, I'm going this route. I'll give you an update when I got this all in and done. We'll go from there. So I got a drawer full of fucking all sorts of shit. I do have a washer that fits on that pretty well. It's almost to the T. There's a little space. It's not a thick heavy duty washer or nothing, but I think I'm gonna slap that in there since the belt doesn't actually slide on this bulky area of this nut here. The factory did, but our aftermarkets don't, so I'm gonna use this in front of the belt. But other than that, should be good to go. Just a heads up. So there's your belt mount installed. Try to keep it up. It's coming around your waist. You don't want it doing this or that. Try to keep it to where when it goes across it's kind of flat like that. You know what I mean? But yeah, bam, bam. Easy as shit. Throw the seat in. I'll adjust these harnesses. Alright, so quick side note. I just had the seat upside down and I realized that it is adjustable. I never fucking knew that. So that's awesome. I thought these were a fixed deal because I never even really flipped it under and looked. But yeah, adjustable. Just in case somebody didn't know like me. So everything's in. Showed you our mounting points. I got this hanging over here. Throw this over. I think them straps are in the ideal position. Those shits over. Boom. Another thing, just in case you don't know, the easiest way to loosen these is just pull that back like that and pull forward. It's a lot easier when you're sitting in there, but just pull up and pull. They're new, so they're kind of a bitch, but I always found it easy just to pull up on that side and pull. So whenever you're getting in these things, boom. So that is that. Straps are in. Looks pretty fucking good. A lot better than them stupid car seat belt deals. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this access here. I guess I'll have to figure something out, but that's like the only thing is left over with all this access. I guess I'll have to figure something out. Maybe I'll just cut them, melt the ends. It's alright. I was tidying this up and I was talking earlier about the strap things here that are left over. I found a solution I think will work pretty well. So I got some zip ties. I was looking around, I was like, oh, fucking zip ties. So what I did is I just took these and I wrapped them tight. It's not a bad look neither. I think it'll work out pretty well. So I just rolled it up, tucked it in there. Took a fucking zip tie, stuck it through. I unraveled a little. Tighten that bitch up. Cut off the slack. Don't want to get cut by the zip tie, just slide this bitch in the hole. You don't want to cut those. What if you wanted to take these out and use them in something else? You know what I mean? Sell them. So you cut those, you're shortening the life, that's for sure. And my other ones are fit. I almost got that fucker super tight. Yeah, just tuck that in, boom. Pretty slick. One more time. Stick that bitch up there.
A couple of weeks ago, I had to go to some shows in Vegas, right? So she gives me the big send off, the hug, the kiss, and then it's, call me when you get there.
Ah, come on. Keeping that tight's kind of a pain in the ass, though. It wasn't cold as fuck.
She picks up the phone. Hello? Hey, look, he's over there. I'm over here now. Can we hang up? But no, she's going to continue this dopey conversation. So how is the flight?
Fuck yeah. So I think that's a pretty good little... I guess if they come loose, throw another zip tie here, and you'd be good. Definitely looks clean from the front. I like that.
I put the fucking hat on.
Alright, well, that's hot. Yeah, done deal. Pretty sweet little toy. I think those red straps had a little more flair to the puppy. Alright guys, well thanks for watching, and until next time, see ya.